In this video, I'll show you how to set up a watch list and alerts in Tradingview. First, open your web browser or the Tradingview app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open any chart to access the main workspace. Next, locate the watch list panel on the right side of the screen. If it's hidden, open it from the right sidebar. Click Create New List if you want a separate watch list, then add the stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, or other assets you want to monitor. Now, click on any symbol in your watch list to load its chart. Once the chart is open, click the Alert button on the top toolbar or right-click on the chart and select Add Alert. After that, configure the alert settings. Choose the condition, such as a price crossing a specific level or an indicator signal. Set the alert frequency, expiration date, and notification method, including app notifications, email, or webhooks if available. Next, click Create to activate the alert. Repeat the process for any additional assets in your watch list so you'll be notified whenever your conditions are met. Finally, open the Alerts panel to review, edit, pause, or delete your active alerts whenever needed. This helps you stay informed about important market movements without constantly watching the charts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a watch list and alerts in Tradingview. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.